When I ask an audience of salespeople what percentage of their working day they admit to wasting or allowing other people to waste for them, even the most successful will own up to wasting between 25 and 75% of their time. Let's call it an average of 50%. So how much of your time do you admit to wasting? Be totally honest with yourself. Stop this video right now and think about it for a moment and come up with an answer. If you want to be successful in sales and be exceptionally well rewarded for your efforts and results, you must value your selling time above all else and not waste a minute of it. I pride myself on being able to help salespeople to at least double their sales if they do what I coach them to do. If you're amongst those who waste 50% or more of your time, then all it takes to double your sales is to stop wasting half your time and get on with the job of prospecting and selling. How easy is that? So if you do waste time, will you make a commitment to stop it and double your sales too? Here's an exercise which will help. Take 2 sheets of A4 paper or set them up on your computer. Divide the first sheet into 2 columns, and on the top of column 1 write ways I waste my time, and on the top of the second column how I will deal with this in the future so I do not. And on the second sheet on top of the first column write or type ways I allow others to waste my time, and on the top of the second again how I will deal with this in future so I do not. Then keep writing or typing in these columns until you cannot think of anything else. And then put your column 2 action points into practice right away. It's a very powerful exercise which will help you create a massive amount of extra selling time in the future. So how about doing that this evening?